What is self-talk? Think about this. 95% of the time we are talking with ourselves, and it's only the rest of the 5% we're actually communicating with the world. So what we end up telling ourselves is so important. That is self-talk. Because words and thoughts that we keep repeating over a period of time, it becomes our subconscious thoughts. So in case of our children, what we think about them and what we tell them becomes their subconscious thoughts as well. So I hope you're saying nice things about your children. What are you telling them? Are you telling them they're smart, they're intelligent, or are you telling them they're good for nothing, they're useless? It could be either one of it. And trust me, they believe in this. Here's a pro tip. When they wake up in the morning or when they're just about to go to bed, tell them this, that they can achieve whatever they put their mind to. And trust me, they'll believe it. So in our seminar, we're going to teach the kids how to make positive affirmations, and also they have this worksheet activity where they're going to make a lot of mission statements, cool mission statements about their life.
And go.
The workshop is starting from 30th April to 10th May. Register now.